Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Tuesday, December 18th. I'm Remy Hoagie for your Commodities Recap. NYMEX crude oil futures fell for a fourth straight session, erasing gains from earlier in the session. The latest news that Turkish troops have started to withdraw from northern Iraq led to reduced fears that crude supplies will be threatened in the Middle East region. January crude oil ended the session down 14 cents at $90.49 a barrel on the NYMEX. Also, the January contract expired at the end of today's session. February crude, the new front month contract, fell 97 cents, ending the session at $90.08 a barrel. Elsewhere, January RBOB gas fell to end at $2.3043 a gallon. January heating oil closed down at $2.5554 a gallon. Meanwhile, January nat gas futures gained 10.1 cents, closing out the session at $7.136 per million BTU. And in the metals complex, gold futures climbed up by $8.10, settling at $807.40 an ounce on the NYMEX. In other metals, January platinum soared to a new record high and ended the session with a gain of $11.70 at $1,515.30 an ounce. This afternoon, we're joined by Frey from etvFutures and Options. He'll give us his outlook for energy and metals futures.
Okay, recapping the action we saw in the energy and metal sectors. I'll start with the metals today. I saw a rally in pretty much both gold and silver today. Not a major rally, but definitely, yeah, you can't look at a daily chart and not notice the kind of very large-scale coil formation that's forming up right now on that daily chart. That's usually a continuation pattern, which points the way, in this particular case, to higher prices. So we've been shorting above 810 for the last few weeks, 810 and 815, and covering on these dips below 800. And at this point, we're pretty much ceasing that, and we're really looking now to accumulate some longer-term long positions below that 800 level, preferably. So we're definitely kind of rolling over and looking more towards the bull side than the bear side in the near term. Kind of the same thing in silver. We're accumulating some longer-term long positions on dips below $14. And like I said, we're really looking to kind of hold on to these things into January and probably through January for that matter, and into February. Over to energy. We saw a really wild mixed day today in energy. Saw the market trade, in both positive and negative territory. We were light buyers on the dip, the intraday dip below $90 on the January contracts, but really not any major addition to our overall core position, which we had put on back below 88 on the prior dip. We continue to see another push back up to and more than likely through 95, coming probably by Christmas, certainly by the new year at the latest. And frankly, beyond that, we could see a run to that $100 level still. So we continue to be bullish and accumulate longs below 90.
That was Frey, head trader at etvFutures and Options, with his commodities commentary. I'm Remy Hoagie. Join us later for PM Exchange right here on etvFutures.com.